And the trip starts now. September 27th. It's a Saturday. And right now the weather's nice. But we're headed to Virginia, and I guess the weather's not going to be so great there. Trying to get the brake controller connected on the first try. We've been having a little trouble with that. So let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Hi, Belle. Let's see. This is what we get. We got it. It rarely will go on the first run. All right, we finally got it engaged.
Yeah, so I got to make notes because I forget things. So once it pushes the brake with the Jeep off, once it pushes the brake pedal 20 times, the brake pedal becomes like a rock. So
okay.
The brake controller is not feeling it the way it should.
Right.
So I started the Jeep, I pumped the brake pedal a couple times,
okay.
and it worked on the first try.
All right, so let's remember, if the brake is too hard, it doesn't know something. So, all right, we're hooked up. We're ready. Let's go. Hey, you're in my seat. You're in my seat, Belle. She's in my seat. Let's get this show on the road. Good girl. We made it to our first stop.
We made it.
The Harvest Host location we've been to before, Wright's farm in Gardiner, New York. Whoa.
That'll help.
He's unhooking. I'm gonna go in the store and I'll meet you up there. Okay. Beautiful display of fall. Look at that. Very nice. I'm gonna walk down here. All right, we're going to the farm store. The nice grasses. Interesting. The wood for a campfire. It's just old barn wood. It is very tight quarters here. This is the brewery coming up here. Oh, they've got a whole outdoor thing. Yeah, last time we were here, this was not open. Wow, look at that. That's cool. We're going up here. This is where Harvest Host park up here. It's parking for the brewery. It's all the apple trees. Pick your own apples. I just went for them in the store. They have a sign for Harvest Hosts here. It's a pretty rough road. They have tent camping over here, tent camping on this side. So they've got a variety of stuff. It's pretty nice. Look at all those apples. Whoa! Whoa! I see where we're parked. Seems like a weird place, but okay. It's not what I would have done. Staring at some campers? That's really weird. Look at this rig here. And these other people. So we're moving here horizontally with the fence. So we're not staring at those people all night. It's a familiar pose. He's greasing up the stabilizers. While Whiskey's moving the rig, I am going to taste test the cider donut. Here inside the Jeep. The donuts. The cider donuts. Let's give it a try. I didn't want to eat on camera. Those are delicious. The donuts are so good. This would have been good with wine, actually. Here's what I got at the farm stand. We're parked here overlooking the field. I got 3 apples, 3 different types, a sausage, a garlic and herb spread from another farm here in New York. I like to get the farm pickles because they don't have the yellow dye in them and high fructose corn syrup. So I like to buy those when possible. Look at the beautiful garlic. Those are some nice large bulbs. And the donuts. Facing a field, a big open meadow. And it's lovely. Belle is settled. We got our usual cocktails. And we're chilling out. It's actually warm. It's 80 degrees.
Could be 70 would be better.
70 would be better.
But it's not raining, so.
Not yet. That's next.
It's okay. It's okay. Good girl.
A new RVer pulled up in. Wow, look at that rig.
They know you're here. They know you're here.
I don't want to insult them, but that's pretty hideous.
Is that a Winnebago?
That's pretty hideous.
Oh, come on. That thing is awesome. That's vintage.
Oh my God, that's awful. Okay, here we are. There's more rigs coming in. And we've got there's parachuters. They're gonna drop out of this plane. Can't see it, but there's jumpers coming out of that plane.
Just one.
Just one?
Look, shoot.
Totally can't see anything.
Right there.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here tonight. You guys are gonna finally walk. We're doing doggy play. Good doggies. Good girl, Belle. Oh my gosh, she loves it. Good girl. Okay, good girl. Good girl. Hey, pups. Good girl. Okay, that's good. Come here. Come here, Belle. Oh, God, she's so happy.
What's your pup's name?
Belle.
Belle. This is Sammy.
Hey, Sammy. All right, come here. Whoa, there they go.
Well, he dropped him off, too. He goes up.
Yeah, but they've been doing this all day. Well, we got here at 4. Oh, good girl.
With me. I'm sorry.
You stay right there.
I gave you the
More rigs have shown up. It's a Saturday night, so it's very popular. There are 8 rigs. Oh, I bet Belle would like that dog over there. Look at everybody. And there's a little Class B over behind the pink thing. Oh, the little guy is in there. We saw that little guy, but they went to the brewery. It's a lovely evening. Love it. She came running back. I didn't get a video of it. She's yawning it out. Yawn it out, honey. Good girl. That was so good. She wants to play with that other doggy. So good. I'm putting apples in the salad that we got. I don't know which one this is, but it is delish. I diced it up and put it in the salad. We got the burgers cooking. No bun, just burger. Over here, we've got the salad with the apples and a macaroni salad that I made before we left home. We're boondocking, and it's fall, so it's dark early. But we have our battery-operated light and hamburger with cheese, the farm pickles, macaroni salad, and salad. And we're ready to sit down and relax. The plate with salad, the burger, mac salad, pickles. Whiskey's already stuffing his face. Morning, Belle. Good morning, Belle. Sunday morning. There she is, the dog that won't walk.
The leaves are changing on the poison ivy that's growing in the apple tree.
The apple trees are amazing. If the deer will stop eating ours, maybe they'll grow. Another project.
It never ends with these things. You have to be very handy if you want to have a motorhome.
All right, so he's getting suited up, putting on his work coveralls. He's getting underneath there, and it's a tailpipe fix. Again.
It's falling off again.
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 So tips for RVers, have some coveralls.
Have some coveralls, and I got a big piece of cardboard to use as a creeper, which is helpful. And somewhere there's a yellow vest, because if you're doing this on the side of the road, you want to be wearing one of those.
We don't want to be doing anything on the side of the road. Okay, and a hanger.
And a coat hanger.
So what actually is the problem?
I'll take your phone underneath and...
Okay. So he's got the big cardboard as a creeper.
As a creeper, yeah. So get under there without getting all soaked. And here, let me show. So that, right in the middle of the frame, the hanger broke. So this is a lot of weight just flopping in the breeze. And I'm just gonna, that has holes in it. I'll be able to get a coat hanger through there, wrap it around, and it won't fall off.
Doesn't have anything to cut it.
I don't have anything to cut it, but at least I've got these
To untwist it.
to untwist it.
All right, so the hanger, you're just going to wrap that around since you can't cut it.
Right.
Once again,
Once again, going under. I need to redo my position. Twist.
oh yeah, that cardboard's great.
That's right. Keep going. Twist. Do the twist. Come on, baby.
Good morning.
Morning. You got everything you need?
Yeah, thank you.
I was gonna say I got all kinds of stuff.
Oh yeah, tailpipe hanger.
Uh-oh.
Always something with these old things.
Always something on all of them.
Yes. Thank you though.
You're welcome.
It's fixed in quotes and we're ready to roll. You ready to roll? Let's roll.